Want to stay ahead in the tech game? Here are the top skills you'll need for 2025. First up, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Tools like Python and TensorFlow are revolutionizing industries. Next, cloud computing is your ticket to staying relevant. Master AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to stay ahead. As cybersecurity threats rise, cybersecurity skills are more crucial than ever. Protect those systems and safeguard data. Blockchain and Web3 development are changing the game. Learn Solidity and how to create decentralized applications to ride this wave. Finally, DevOps and Agile development ensure efficient, fast-paced software delivery. Get hands-on with tools like Docker and Kubernetes. Upskill today to stay ahead in the tech world. The future is waiting, and it's looking for skilled developers like you. Don't just follow the trends, lead them. Subscribe for more tips on mastering the tech world.